Alright, gas struts are the next order of business, precisely because I'm tired of using a stick to open this glass, and I know damn well I'm not getting more of it if it does happen to break. Luckily, I have the thing, which isn't installed for some reason. I don't know why you take this off. But this should mount right there, minus the little top parts that are a duplicate of the hinge up here. It should mount there and allow the gas struts to connect to those little, I don't know, what do you call those? It's hot out. But yeah, that looks like to be, that's weird. These are flat blade. These are Phillips, and they're stripped to hell, so that's gonna be fun. Would it be easier to do them inside or outside the car? That's what I want to know. I should probably get the crap out of the trunk first. That would probably be a good idea. Now, that means I've got to use the stick. I don't want to use the stick because the stick is dangerous. Oh well, whatever. Not with you in the way. This is a spoiler from a junkyard Saab 900 that I dragged home for some reason. I saw a picture of one of these. Ooh, the trunk just fell off of it. That's nice. Anyway, I saw a picture of a Sonett with one of these spoilers mounted to it on Sonett. Like some ancient photo. And I thought, that'd be pretty cool. I don't expect it to actually do much because it's just going to be bolted to the fiberglass body for now, which doesn't have the, best connection. But it'll look cool. I was debating big wing on this car, mounted to probably the bumper mounts, but, a much easier solution just presented itself, so I'm going to go with it. I just know it. Ah, shit. Not enough room. Okay. Oh, hey. I found more of those, and these are Phillips type. I wonder what the difference is. I wonder if it's a year difference. I don't know. Ooh, is that a scratch? It is. Ah, I thought this thing was mint. Wow. What would make you believe it wasn't? Some of these pieces are too big. I don't even know what this is. I assume this is an like A-pillar trim piece. I don't know. Whatever it is, it's bent, and I didn't do it, so it's not my problem. Awesome. Is this fiberglass or plastic? Is this wood? That would explain the bending. No, but it's got weird holes in it. I don't know what this is. I've only got one of them, so it doesn't really, matter. Oh yeah, I forgot why I had crap in there. To hide the gaping rust holes where the battery, ejecto-cedoed. I'm going to have to fix that eventually. So I think I want to try and break loose the glass while it's in this position, and then lower it and try and get the things out later. I think that's my best chance of success. Oh, yeah, no problem. Those aren't stuck at all. That's either a very good sign or a very bad sign. This one. Oh. Sweet, they both let go. Awesome. I thought this was stripped out. No, it's just a weird style. Now for the other side. There we are. Luckily, this thing still has all of its seals, which are admittedly old and gross, because of course they are. Wow, did be nice. I can get my fingers in there. As long as it doesn't crack on me, I don't really care. Same one. So how do I get this thing to go onto that? I got a few of those screwdrivers that, you know, the ones that can change the width and lock on. I love these, they're cool. That's good enough for now. So we can probably get the other side done too. Opens like it should, and that means that maybe, just maybe, gas struts will fit into their spots if they weren't old and shit and broken. And I don't like how that touches the glass. That scares me a bit. I might have put this on backwards. No, maybe I don't think I did. I just think I'm missing the right gaskets for it. These are old and shot, so that doesn't help. Okay, maybe they're not that shot. Oh, that's nice. Okay, they don't work. Maybe that's why they weren't attached. They don't work. So I'm just gonna wad up some duct tape underneath that, in between that and the glass, just so it has a little bit of cushion. Because I got a feeling at the rate that the rate that thing flexes, that there probably should be another piece of I don't know what type of cushioning they would have used. It's probably some rubber grommet or gasket that would give it more leverage against the glass. So that possibly could be inducing some sort of stress riser, I guess. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. But I do know is that this kind of worked. Okay, it's real weird. These probably aren't the right struts. Like there's way too much movement in there. But that one's gonna go there for now. Also, scratch prevention. Crappy gasket number 2. Oh, interesting. That's, maybe they're backwards. Yeah. No, they're not. They're brought down, which is what they're supposed to be. I might understand. I should check my miscellaneous nuts and bolts drawer for something that fits these, because I don't have them. Oh, you're stuck down. Interesting. Yeah, these are dead. Okay, this isn't good, but it lines up properly.